Coba audio, bukan musik, playlist. No. Oke. Terus masuk playlistnya apa dong? Oh, nggak ada sih. Tes. Kayak tidak ada.
Standing on one foot then.
Go back.
This is ridiculous! Move it! Hey!
Please state the nature of your emergency.
It's an emergency, a big one!
CCOS is monitoring the situation. Police are en route.
Ada yang nakirim tau? Berapa ditarik? Hah? Berapa? Iya, kirim semua. Apa? Apa? Soal apa?
We're on him!
Dispatch to squad. Be on alert. Possible hostiles near your location.
We got the
Be
suspect!
advised,
We're gonna
patrol
bust
cars
him
will
now!
be dispatched after the suspect.
All units, suspect is still in the area. That's fine. Squad, do any other units still have a visual?
Well, see if we can block him.
Be advised, units are en route route to the suspect's location.
Stop the vehicle! I repeat, stop the vehicle!
Copy that. A patrol car is en route to the suspect.
Give it up and pull her down!
We've got a patrol car in pursuit of suspect.
He's gone off-road. We need to take him down fast.
Suspect's lost us. We'll stick around and sniff him out.
He's gotta be around here somewhere.
Hey, Pep.
Gimana ini guys? Harus kemana dulu?
Stop position, go away.
I'll fuck you up next time.
Top of the morning, my fist to your face. Fuck,
proverbial pansy panty holders. I Jake the Snake up, DDT 'em in mausoleums. Macabre massacres, killing cunts in my car.
They all actors, giving top and back of a being. I fall back if your casting calls an ending in semen. Come on. On the foul, there's no need for end.
Hey, go home and fuck your mother, you inbred piece of shit! Bye, Felicia.
Hey, hello.
This friend of mine, when she was growing up, there was a party going on in the unit.
It's good, bud.
Weird old jazz playing and people chatting.
Hey!
Oh, God.
You!
Have some consideration!
Stay calm. Let's not freak out. Nah, good.
Should I call an ambulance?
That's fucked up. No.
All right, Satara. So where you at?
Sending you the location and the passcode for the door.
The people lost their folks, niggas in the pins with the dreadlock hair. Smoke everywhere, waving at Madeline on the wood grain davins with the license plate dialing. Doing what we want to, hanging out the sunroof, mentally ignorant. When we go dumb, dude, gas break dip. We call it dope and do a donut in your whip. We call it dose and get stupid. It's what we do good. Push ride the whip while we dancing on the hood. I'm amped, feeling good. I'm hypey in a bitch face with the diz face off of Nike. The women like me, I'm dipped in butter. I rob your butter, pimp the blood out your mother. I'm Mr. Stupid Doodle Dumb. Something terrible. Tell them how we come.
There goes the resale value on that car. You all right?
I don't want to rush you, but can you please move?
Fine, take it!
(911), please state your emergency. The PD might want to haul ass out this way.
Damn.
We've tracked your location. Police are coming.
Sucks.
Whoa! Everyone okay?
Ah!
Please move. Please, please. You all right?
You're done. Son of a bitch, what is happening?
It's okay. Well, it will.
Sure. Sorry, you're breaking up.
You go outside in the earthquake and go underground for a tornado. Who sends them out on a business trip?
Ow!
Stop.
911, what's your emergency?
We're reporting a theft.
We have your location. Police are on the way.
All units, suspect is still in the vicinity. Let's find him.
Close the bastard off.
Squad, we have alerts of a hostile in your area. A patrol car has been dispatched after the suspect.
All right, we're back on the suspect.
Cierto. Ah.
Cuídate, okay? You afraid of me yet? Are you, huh?
How are you?
I can't believe my hand slipped. It must have been an earthquake. There's no other way I'd have messed up like that. I had to
What's going on? All right, eh?
Dancing on my lap.
Yo!
Finally. So Josh and I spoke, and fucking over Bloom has been a long-standing project.
All right, you need two things to take down Bloom. You need to get people to rally behind your cause and separate you from the trolls.
And we need bots, and a lot of them to handle the data CTOS is processing.
Thank you, Josh.
We spent all night modifying our app so you can get followers to download the app, and we can use their processing power for the cause.
This is happening? It's really happening?
Yeah, man, this is happening. You better get to it.
Hell yeah, man! Barbarians are at the gate ready to bust some Roman heads.
Yeah, we're gonna focus on some high-profile ops, playing for exposure and laughs to get people to download our app. All right.
Don't worry. So it was something fun.
Marcus! Haha, check you out. Alive and dry. I wasn't sure after your moonlight swim. Come here. You've got to check this out. Behold, our very own open source. Behold, the wonders of technology.
A 3D printer?
This is the army of printers. It is capable of pumping out an arsenal of lethal weapons down.
Seriously?
Yep. Once you master it, voila! Hipster merchant of death.
All good, except I'm no hipster.
You keep telling yourself that. Now try to make something. But don't blow us up.
Good to have another brother here.
Good to be here, man. Are you all hackers?
Yeah, kind of a basic requirement to get invited into the...
It's something, right?
This whole place is something.
We used to keep track of news feeds on here, but now it's our follower wall.
So it knows if we're trending?
No. It's based on hard values. How many people downloaded our app, how much processing power we have access to, you know.
Nice.
And, speaking of which, we're downloading the DedSec app into your phone as we speak. When it's ready, open it up, click the suggested op, and hit the park outside so we can test it.
Sounds good.
One more thing. I put a reminder on your phone so you remember what we're gunning for. Get enough processing power to take down Bloom.
Coming up after the break, we'll be sitting down with a former street artist. Sweet Tea, as he's known in the community, is here to promote a new book of his art and a brand new fashion line.
The app's downloaded and I'm in the park. What am I testing?
Start profiling things around you. People, devices. See what you can pull from them. That's what helps us figure out our next ops. And running ops that are important to people is how we get them interested in DedSec. The more followers download our app, the more intel we get. It's the circle of life.
Oh, and see if you can find some components to help us with our research. Hipster merchant
The app is your data mining tool.
of death.
Okay, I got this. So what now?
Up to you, man. You're free to do whatever catches your eye. We post ops to the DedSec app, and doing them helps us get followers. And followers are our Skrilla. Followers mean computers, which boosts our processing power, which lets us do bigger and badder ops.
Look, bro, take that shit somewhere else.
Please state the nature of your emergency.
I need some cops over here right away.
CTOS has verified your location. Police are on their way.
He may be hiding out in the parking garage. Keep your eyes open.
Hey, so what's this about Bobo Day?
We're here, keeping an eye open for
I
the
assume you guys have heard of Gene Carcani?
He's the shit sack who's on TV laughing about how he's raising the price of leukemia medicine.
Yeah, the most hated man in America? Yeah, why do you ask?
Guy's a huge Bobo Dakes fan. Must have read Bobo's in town.
Hey, how's the startup?
You know me, more algorithm. More problems.
I sure do. Keep me posted?
You're on the list.
Seems cool.
You shitting me? Yeah.
Marcus, guys, the Cyber Driver trailer just dropped.
Oh, yeah, sweet. Hey, don't watch it without me.
Meet you at the hackerspace.
I'm on my way.
Watch out! Protect the shipment!
I'm gonna have to ask you to vacate the area. Quiet, starting a sweep. Hold it. This won't take long.
Base to control. Be on alert.
Get out!
State your emergency, please.
We need police immediately.
CTOS has verified your location. Police are on the way.
Stamina plus 5M. Tanda durutnya belum masuk. 1, 2, 3, 4.